Hi everyone, it's Laura at Vegan RV, and today I am going to cook some random heirloom beans that I bought at, let's see, what is it? Mount Hope Foods in Cottonwood, Arizona. So if you've been watching us for a while, you know I've been carrying these around. So these are scarlet runner beans, and I just wanted to show you those real quick. I mean, how can you see those and not buy them? They're gorgeous. Because these are heirloom beans, there's not a lot of information on how to cook them online. These are big, so I'm going to cook them for, I'm going to start with 30 minutes at high pressure in the Instant Pot. And I'm going to add a bunch of seasonings, and I'll just tell you what I'm going to do right now. I'm basically following Kathy Hester's recipe for heirloom beans. I'm going to do, so I'm doing a half a pound of beans with 2 cups of water, a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of jalapeno powder, half a teaspoon of liquid smoke, half a teaspoon of ancho chili powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. So let's get that all together and throw it in the pot. I soaked the beans overnight. Here they are. Getting ready to rinse and drain and throw them in the Instant Pot. Oregano, 1 teaspoon. Chili powder, half a teaspoon. Jalapeno chili powder, half a teaspoon. Ancho chili powder, half a teaspoon. Liquid smoke, half a teaspoon. Garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon. Cumin, 1/4 teaspoon. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Give it a stir. Okay, I'm going to go for high pressure for 30 minutes. And then I'm going to let it natural pressure release, and we'll see how that goes. I just heard the pressure indicator drop on the Instant Pot, so I'm going to see if 30 minutes was enough time to cook those big old beans. Let's see what we got in there. Feels pretty soft. I'm going to give it a taste. Alright, let's see. Ooh, that's perfect. Let me see the inside of that. Can't wait for lunch. Okay, it's time to eat. So let me show you what I got and tell you a little bit about it before I start munching. So there are the beans, and on the bottom is a little bit of rice. I've got some shredded yellow carrot, some pico de gallo that I made up real fast, a little bit of avocado, bunch of lettuce, and I put some vegan Parmesan on top. And this is a big old bowl of goodness. I did cook these beans without salt, so I like to just add a little bit of a sprinkle on at the end. If you don't eat added salt, then you don't have to worry about that. So you could see my rice stuck on the edge of that. I mean, seriously, look how big this thing is next to my head. It's done perfectly. I was concerned that 30 minutes wasn't going to be enough. No, it was 30 minutes, plus I let the pressure come down naturally. So I did not quick release. Anyway, if you ever want to cook some beans that you have no idea, how long they take or any of that, one thing you can do is just search online and use beans of a similar size as a guide, and then go from there. You can always cook them a little bit longer if you need to. I did not want these to fall apart. A couple of places were saying to cook them for a couple of hours, like if you were doing it on the stove top, and I was thinking, that's probably going to disintegrate these. So 30 minutes turned out to be perfect. I'm not always that lucky. So anyway, if you like these cooking videos, give a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting me know anything else you're interested in seeing. And I wanted to do this because a lot of us probably have a lot random beans in the pantry, and we're not wanting to go out and mix with people right now. So I hope you found this helpful. See you soon.